And today we have somebody on board who has unleashed the storm with her Tufani performance in her recent release Tufan, which is now streaming on Amazon Prime Video. And we'll try that we do not drop any spoilers for people who have not seen it yet. So, Mrunal,
Yes.
congratulations for the release. And now the reviews are in, and everyone is talking all good things about your character, Ananya. How are you feeling as an actor, as a creative person?
I feel very satisfied today, Divya. I can't tell you how happy I am and how much this role has changed me. The way the entire audience and industry is going to look at female characters. Things are changing, and I'm happy Ananya is that person who always uh, is firm and strong, courageous, and there are very less people in our lives whom we meet who are like Ananya, who motivate and show us a mirror and give us two choices. So I'm really happy to play this character.
So when you heard the story and when you were offered the role, what were your initial reactions to the character and working with the cast and the director Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra?
I was like, uh, I wanted to be associated with Rakesh sir, but ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है यार. मैंने सोचा नहीं था मुझे इतनी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट मिलेगी. ऑल्सो मेरे कैरेक्टर के ऊपर नाम नाम के ऊपर एक गाना भी है. तो आई थिंक इंडिया में जितनी भी अदिति है उसके बाद जो अभी अनन्या है, तो बहुत ही खुश हुए होंगे अनन्या कि चलो मेरे नाम पर एक गाना है. और हर लड़की चाहती है कि उनके नाम पर एक गाना हो. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ because I did not ask for, I mean, I asked for association with Rakesh sir, लेकिन इतनी सारी चीजें मिली है. I think I'm really blessed.
The universe is working in your favor completely.
Absolutely. And I think that all the patience, all the hard work is now paying off.
Right, yes. So if you could change one thing about Tufan, like you have the privilege now as a writer, what would you do?
As a writer,
Yeah.
what I would change,
Yes.
uh, as a writer, I would only जो लास्ट सीन आप देखते हो जहां पे फिल्म खत्म होती है, एज अ राइटर आई विल मेक श्योर दैट वो फिल्म कभी खत्म ना हो. वो चलती रहे, चलती रहे, चलती रहे. तो बस वो एक ही चीज चेंज करना चाहूंगी. आई वुड लाइक टू कैरी ऑन फ्रॉम देयर. क्योंकि एक्चुअली शायद अजीज अली की जहां फिल्म खत्म होती है वहां से एक नई शुरुआत भी हो सकती है. सो
Right,
यू
yes.
नेवर नो.
Yes.
वाओ, दैट्स क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग.
Right. So, so there were, speculations about you, Mrunal, that you are doing certain type of roles. But do you think that you have managed to break that stereotype now? Like the people had certain speculations about the kind of roles you were doing before Tufan. So, have you heard
Yeah.
anything about that?
Divya, I am happy that I'm getting such strong, rare roles because the way earlier, like, girls, especially the actresses, were they were put into a category where they were either playing very bubbly, or they were playing dumb, or they were playing victims, or they were playing bichari, uh, and or they were not decisive. और कहीं ना कहीं उनको कोई पूछता ही नहीं था कि क्या आपको इस लड़के के साथ होना है. पहले लड़के डिसाइड करते थे कि तू मेरी है, तू मेरी है. लेकिन इस फिल्म में ऐसा नहीं है. आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट स्मॉल स्मॉल स्टफ वेयर अनन्या is the first one to take a step in the relationship. She's the one who takes that step, who asks Aziz. Ananya doesn't fall in love with Aziz because he gets her flowers, or he takes her on a dinner date, or या उसे helicopter से वो फूल बरसा रहा है. It's not all of that. Ananya falls in love with Aziz क्योंकि Aziz makes the right choice. Aziz is a good human being. भले ही वो स्ट्रीट फाइटर, वो वसूली में तोड़ा फोड़ी करता हो, लेकिन यतीम खाने के बच्चों को जो प्यार है, कहीं ना कहीं वो उसकी उसकी उस क्वालिटी से अनन्या ने बहुत ज्यादा प्यार किया है. सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट through Ananya, we are representing today's girls. They're like independent, they're firm. no matter whatever problems, without giving any spoilers, whatever problems Ananya goes through,
Right.
she doesn't regret her decisions. She stands by it. She always makes sure कि ये मेरा decision था. I have taken this decision, and I will make it better. And the fact that जब भी दो लोगों के बीच में झगड़ा होता है, we decide to not talk to that person. But I think it is very important for us human beings to confront, क्योंकि जब आप conversation करते हो, that's when you why did he take that step. So I think conversations are very important in this, in our relationships.
So now after Tufan, you will be seen in Jersey, like you will be seen in Jersey, which is also based on sports. And I have heard people making comparisons from now only, like it's a sports film, then again a sports film. Like people were comparing Farhan also for doing Tufan and Bhag Milkha Bhag. So do you think it's right to do that, or we should expect something else from Jersey, or what kind of difference we will be able to see?
First of all, Divya, through this interview, I would like to ask your audience, why do we watch a movie? Do we watch a movie to compare it with other movies? Or do we watch a movie to enjoy, to just relax and just get entertained for 2 hours or 3 hours? My question to you all is, uh, did I make you smile when you were watching my movie? Did Ananya make you cry when you were watching the movie? And if the answer is yes, I think as an actor, as an entertainer, as a performer, my question is answered. Uh, रही बात critics की, तो I respect them. Everybody has opinion, their choices are different, and I appreciate it. But eventually, I would like if people not compare it, क्योंकि comparisons में जो चीज को ज्यादा डिजर्व करती है, उसको वो प्यार नहीं मिलता. तो मुझे लगता है हमें एक फिल्म की तरह देखनी चाहिए. उसे मोटिवेशन, इंस्पिरेशन या पॉजिटिव चीजें लेनी चाहिए उससे.
So, three things that you learned as an actor on the sets of Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra.
Oh, I learned, I learned to be calm. I learned to surrender, and I learned to have faith and trust.
So,
Because
yes.
कभी भी मैं एज एन एक्टर सेट पर जाती थी, तो मैं मेरा हेयर कैसा है, मेरा मेकअप कैसा है, ये देखती थी. एंड देन डायरेक्टर, माय सर टोल्ड मी दैट, यू नो व्हाट मृणाल, उसके लिए यू हैव योर डेजिग्नेटेड टीम, हु वुड take care of you. So stop, forget how you're looking. Just start feeling about the character. Don't act, just perform. Just feel it. So I think that was the biggest takeaway.
So, what kind of preparation did you put in this role for preparing the role of Ananya? What prep did you do?
My preparation was having conversation with my mother, having conversation with my friends who have had like an extraordinary love marriage, also with like couple of doctors. And I also learned how to, if you have a wound, how to stitch the wound. That was a part of my workshop. Yeah.
So, for the promotions of Tufan only, I saw you curating different and chic looks for the promotions. So, what was the conversation that you had with your styling team? How you wanted your looks to be?
I told my stylist Tanya Ghavri that, Tanya, I want to look like me. I don't want to look like someone else. And that's where because we actors have a lot of pressure as to how we dress up and stuff like that. But I realized that it is important to feel comfortable, b bring out the like a different version of yourself which nobody has seen. And hence, if you will see, like, I've done some bunch of Indian stuff, some casual stuff, and keeping fashion in mind, I've tried some crop tops and stuff which you will see now. But I really enjoyed, I love the athleisure look, I love the chunky sneaker look, I think, which is very much in fashion at this point of time. So Tanya made sure that I wear the kind of silhouettes which I've never tried before, because you got to keep changing.
And it worked also. It worked, like it was very evident that it was comfortable and very chic at the same time.
Very chic. Yeah, yeah. I'm glad you noticed that. Thank you.
So we know about your upcoming projects, Pipa, Jersey, then one with DQ Salman, Aakh Micholi, which is announced today only. So which all films will be releasing this year, and what next we can expect from you?
Well, this year you guys would see me in Ankh Macholi, about which we just released the motion picture poster today, and the other one is going to be Jersey, which is extremely close to my heart too. And yeah, I think these are the two movies that you guys must look forward to. And what I am filming is Pipa soon in August and September, and I'm really looking forward to be on sets with Ishan and Priyanshu.
So before going, Runal, I would like to tell you that our social media team of High Persona actually loves you, because whenever you share a post or like something, they have a good time. So they have asked me to say this, that they are very thankful of you, and they love you. They love Tufan.
You know, I must tell you that your team is so supportive, and one of the reason why I feel confident about myself is because of your love and support. And I think without you guys, I'm actually nothing. So thank you so much for bringing out the best and for constantly loving me, giving me so much support, and it really, really means the world to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Runal, for doing this.
Thank you, Divya. Be safe. Take care.